बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ के इस हिस्से में हम इलेक्शन 1937 को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। When government announced to hold election to the provincial legislative assemblies, answer is 1936-37. 1937 election were held in 11 provinces of subcontinent according to answer is Act of 1935. Which Muslim League leader during the years 1930 to 1934 stayed in England? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. When Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah returned from England? Answer is 1934. When All India Muslim League held its 23rd annual session? Answer is November 1933. When 24th annual session of All India Muslim League was held? Answer is April 1936. Who challenged the claim of Nehru and said, "There is a third party in country and that is Muslims. We are not going to dictate it by anybody." Answer is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Who was the founder of Unionist Party in Punjab? Answer is Sir Fazl-i-Hussain. The provincial elections were held in the winter of answer is 1936-37. How many seats were there in provincial assemblies? Answer is 1585. In 1937 elections, general seats in provincial assemblies were answer is 809. In 1937 elections, Muslim seats in provincial assemblies were answer is 482. In 1937 elections, commerce and industry seats in provincial assemblies were answer is 56. In 1937 elections, women seats in provincial assemblies were answer is 41. In 1937 elections, labor seats in provincial assemblies were answer is 38. In 1937 elections, Sikh seats in provincial assemblies were answer is 34. Which political party won 716 seats in 1937 elections? Answer is Congress. Muslim League won how many seats in 1937 elections? Answer is 106. Which party won 82 seats in Punjab out of 84 Muslim seats? Answer is Unionist Party. In Punjab, out of 84 Muslim seats, Muslim League won how many seats? Answer is 2. In United Provinces, out of 35 Muslim seats, Muslim League won how many seats? Answer is 29. In Madaras, out of 11 Muslim seats, Muslim League won how many seats in 1937 elections? Answer is 10. In Assam, out of 34 Muslim seats, Muslim League won how many seats? Answer is 9. In Bengal, out of 117 Muslim seats, Muslim League won how many seats? Answer is 39. In Bihar, Orissa, NWFE, Sindh, out of 36 Muslim seats in each, Muslim League won how many seats? Answer is no seat. When Congress decided to form ministries? Answer is July 1937. When Congress Working Committee passed a resolution permitting the Congress to accept the office? Answer is 7th July 1937. The Congress ministers took office in how many provinces? Answer is 8. Which period was extremely crucial in the history of Hindu-Muslim relations? Answer is July 1937 to October 1939. During the campaign for 1937 elections, who issued a statement declaring that there were only two parties in subcontinent, namely the British government and Indian National Congress? Answer is Nehru. Who became the Chief Minister of Punjab after 1937's elections? Answer is Sikandar Hayat Khan. After constructing the machinery, which political party hoisted tricolour flag on all official and non-official buildings? Answer is Congress. With the installation of Congress ministers, who were forbidden to eat beef? Answer is Muslims. Which language was enforced as official language in all provinces under the Congress rule? Answer is Hindi. When Azan was forbidden in subcontinent? Answer is under Congress rule. What was Bande-Matram? Answer is national song. Bande-Matram was taken from the novel. Answer is Anandamat. Who was writer of Bande-Matram? Answer is Bankim Chandra. Which song was adopted by Congress as a national anthem? Answer is Bande-Matram. Wardha Scheme was the outcome of which Hindu leader? Answer is Gandhi. Who was author of Wardha Scheme? Answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Which scheme preached the nationalism? Answer is Wardha Scheme. Which scheme sought to isolate the young generation, the Muslims, from their religion, culture, and civilization? Answer is Wardha Scheme and Vidya. What was the objective of Wardha and Vidya schemes? Answer is to secure the perpetual domination of Hindu culture, to destroy Muslim culture, to destroy Islamic values. Who was first Muslim president of India elected in 1967? Answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Under Vidya Mandir scheme, the students were asked to pay respect and homage to which leader's picture every day in their assemblies in schools? Answer is Gandhi. Who was president of Hindu Mahasabha from 1937 to 1939? Answer is V.D. Shevekar. When Day of Deliverance was celebrated? Answer is 22nd December 1939. Who appealed to Muslims observe the Day of Deliverance? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. व्यूज़, अगर आपको मेरी ये काविश अच्छी लगी तो मेरी वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम्स। अल्लाह हाफिज़।